on veut voyager. Papa les coucou, voyage à l'eau. Oh yeah, ayo, Kelewele, Gazile, ah ouais, normal.
What are we about?
Aloko.
Aloko.
Our Kelewele.
Your Kelewele.
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 Our Kelewele.
Your Kelewele is Aloko.
Yes, Aloko.
But what makes Aloko? What and what do you add to make Aloko?
We need plantain.
Plantain.
Salt. And oil.
Oil.
Yes.
No pepper?
No.
No ginger?
No.
Tu aimes pas piment?
No.
You don't like pepper?
N'aime pas piment. Non, mais pas piment. Simply natural.
No,
plantain,
but
salt.
African food is hot. When you eat it, you know. Man, if you manage the food and you don't do, ça arrange pas.
With salt, it's
Okay. Well, we would like our own with pepper, so that's why our Kelewele is always with pepper. Now, maintenant, how do you cut it? Do you have a style?
Yes. You have to cut. Yes.
In the middle.
Yes, in the middle.
Okay. C'est bon?
Yes.
Okay. And then what?
You can
again?
Again, yes. In the middle.
Maintenant?
Yes.
Small or big?
Yes,
big?
Small. In Ivory Coast, generally it's small. Generally, okay. Yes.
Why do you guys do small and not big?
No, small. What is small? It's sweet.
It's sweet.
Yes. Et puis c'est crispy.
They're crispy.
Yes, a little crispy.
C'est pas doux. Hey, qui a dit ça? Tu as goûté petit là? Gros là? Hein? Toi, tu as goûté? Madame, tu as goûté le gros là?
Gros là, si, elle a goûté.
C'est doux.
Oui, en tout cas, moi, je trouve que c'est doux.
Plus que petit, hein?
En tout cas, moi, je préfère les deux.
Tu préfères les deux?
You see? So it's like everyone has a preference. Me, I like it big. That is a fried plantain.
Me, I like.
And Kelewele? Small. So what can you eat Aloko with? Tu manges Aloko avec quoi? You see?
Yes.
If
eggs.
Yes.
With some comment on dit pâté?
Pepper?
Pepper, yes,
sauce.
Sauce, yes.
Okay.
Eggs and sauce.
Okay. But quand tu prépares, mélanger les Aloko avec piment et puis...
Non, l'Aloko, on grille d'abord, mélange piment, puis une fois qu'on finit de préparer la pâte là, on sait qu'on met un peu, puis les œufs préparés, on enlève la peau.
Mais toi, tu manges pas avec attiqué?
Si.
So attiqué...
Je mange avec la chicken, mais je préfère beaucoup simple.
So only
she like it very simple.
Aloko with fish, eggs.
You eat your Aloko here with bread.
Yes.
How do you do it? You eat bread and then you put Aloko in
No.
And toi tu manges un peu Aloko et puis tu prends ton pain, tu manges, non? Ou bien c'est pas ça?
C'est ça.
C'est ça comment?
Tu prends un peu de pain. Ça là c'est ton pain. This is your bread. And then ça là c'est ton Aloko. Tu manges un peu et puis tu...
Au fond le pain.
C'est avec du riz même, c'est intéressant.
So tu ouvres...
Aloko et puis du
Tu
riz.
ouvres et tu mets l'Aloko.
Il va là-dedans.
Et puis tu mets
then you spread it inside.
Yes.
And you too, you like Aloko diri, rice. How do you eat it?
Aloko riz.
C'est intéressant.
J'ai rien mangé.
Goûter un jour.
J'ai rien mangé. Aujourd'hui, il faut essayer pour voir.
Moi, je suis africain, ivoirien, il y a Aloko riz. Comment ça?
No, we do eat our kelewele. No homage, no kelewele avec riz. You put it inside and eat it. It is nice, but because our kelewele has pepper inside, so it's okay to put.
Okay.
But you to put toi c'est sucre et puis tu manges avec riz. Tu fais quoi pour manger? How do you eat it?
Comment tu manges riz avec Aloko là?
Je mets à côté. Quand je prends c'est comme poisson, là, le coin devient poisson.
Regarde la caméra et puis dit yeah. Oh. Regarde là-bas et dit yeah. Oh. Ah, tiens, look there, say yeah. Tu as bien fait. Et puis toi, tu manges ton Aloko avec quoi?
Je mange attiqué.
Attiqué? How does she eat it with the attiqué?
Comment tu manges ça avec attiqué?
Je mélange avec attiqué. Je mets un peu d'huile, sel. Je mélange et puis mange.
She put oil and salt in the attiqué and she mix.
Ah oui, non, ça met le
and
rond
then she takes Aloko and attiqué and eat it. Yes.
So now that we are done cutting the plantain, what do we do next? We put it on the fire.
Yes.
Okay.
To fry.
Fry. So we are going to fry it.
Yes.
Okay. Pardon her, she doesn't speak English.
English, yes.
So she's, learning how to speak English a little bit. So yes. Can you tell other people about your tour company you do in Ivory Coast? Because there are people who are watching and they are interested in coming to Ivory Coast.
Okay, my name is Kincy and I'm a local guide in Côte d'Ivoire. And come on, in the sweetest country in the world.
Why do you call Côte d'Ivoire the sweetest country?
You just have to test and you stay.
You test?
We can explain it. We can't explain it. You just have to test. And you will say, oh, this is the sweetest country.
This is the sweetest country you ever get.
Yes.
Now that we have done cutting the plantain, inside,
Yes.
So ask her normally how hot is the oil supposed to be?
Very hot. I don't know exactly the degree, but it's very hot.
Hot.
You can see the fire.
Aish,
Delicious.
if there was not going to be a plantain in your country, you wouldn't like it then? Because everything you mash. Hey! Say, I remember banana.
Our plantain is very sweet.
Your plantain is sweet?
Yes.
Why? What makes it different?
Because it's from Côte d'Ivoire.
Oh, but we also have plantain in Ghana.
No, but the plantain of Côte d'Ivoire is very
And that's why you guys have Aloko.
Yes.
And we have Kelewele.
Exactly. You can taste.
Oh,
Taste.
come on. So when you put it on the fire,
Let the oil do the magic.
how long does it stay on the fire for?
10 to 15 minutes.
Hein? En tout.
30 minutes, ça va trop.
Au moins 15.
Yes. 15 to 20 minutes.
15 to 20 minutes. At what point do you call it Aloko?
Pardon?
This is what the women go through. They stand here every day and you see them crying. But like this is the reality of the whole show.
This is the reality of Aloko.
So at what point do you call it Aloko?
Why do we call this Aloko?
Yes. Is it when it is on the fire and it change color, or once you cut it, it becomes Aloko?
When you cut the plantain, it's Aloko.
Once you cut the plantain?
Yeah, exactly. It's Aloko.
Oh, okay. So right now it's Aloko.
Yes, it's Aloko.
It has turned to Aloko.
It's Aloko. This is the Aloko.
All right. Okay, guys.
Please.
We have to wait for 15 minutes. Then it will change color to this, and then after that we will serve it, and then it is ready for you. So guys, the plantain we are frying, the first one is ready, and we are taking off the fire. Once the plantain is like that, you don't call it plantain, Aloko. Say Aloko. Aloko. Ah. So the Aloko we're frying is now ready, and this is Aloko when it's ready, and it normally go with acheke,
yes,
and some people say rice.
Rice.
Or
but no, acheke is not rice. Huh?
No, the Aloko. You eat. Some people say they eat the Aloko with
rice.
Rice. Hey, c'est beaucoup bien. Me, I like beaucoup Aloko. So okay. So how do we eat? Okay. So we're gonna mix, or you don't mix it?
Bon, en Côte d'Ivoire on ne mixe pas. On mange un peu.
Un peu. Ok.
Tu prends la loco avec le piment.
Ah, ok.
La sauce.